Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pompompurin from Sanrio. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the hat. Let's draw a curve up and back down. Now from the side, let's draw a curve down. And the same thing on the right side. And now let's connect the sides with the curve at the bottom. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and draw the sides of the face. On the left side, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve down here. And the same thing on the right side, but a little bit shorter. Next, let's add the ears. On the top right next to the hat, let's draw a curve up, back around, and down to the side of the head. Now let's hop to the left and draw the other ear. From the hat, let's draw an angled line down and then curve it in like this. Okay, next let's move inside and draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw the nose with a triangle shape. And now color it in black. Now underneath the nose, let's draw a line down and then curve it over to the left and up. And the same thing for the right side. And then at the end, let's thicken it up slightly with little curves. Next, let's draw the eyes, starting with the left side. Over here, let's draw a small black circle. And the same thing for the right eye. Next, let's hop down and draw the sides of the body. Let's leave a gap for the arms and let's draw a curve down on the left. And the same thing on the right side, starting a little bit higher. Now in the gaps, let's add the arms. Let's start with the left side. Draw a curve down and in. And the same thing on the right. Now let's hop down and add the feet. Let's draw curved rectangle shapes at the bottom. So we'll go down and then curve it over and up. And the same on the other side. And now close off the bottom of the body with a curve. And that's it for Pompompurin. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!